You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we've got another mystery box, guys. This one is going to be the World Cup mystery box, which, honestly, I don't know a lot about soccer, but I do know I really love what's in this box. If you guys have seen the last two boxes, we have got a plethora of different stuff, which I love, and this box is no different. When I seen the contents of it, I did my little, yay, happy clap. And we do have a new cutie. I'm going to save him for the last. I'm going to save him for the end, but we do have a new cutie friend, and I love the color of this one. Now we're going to get some Sports Flex iron on here. This you're going to have true blue and the red as you see there, and you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of each one of these. Now this is a Sports Flex, so this is perfect for those flexible materials. We are also going to get some premium vinyl. This is the permanent premium vinyl in gold here, and you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. Which gold, perfect for those holiday projects. Now we are also going to get a pack of the R40 cutaway cards, guys. So you are going to get a 12 pack, but it comes with the tan and the brown color here, and then it has these pretty, guys, how pretty that is. And those are the inserts there. So 12 total of the cutaway cards. And we are getting a t-shirt. This is a men's medium t-shirt. Go ahead and take some of that Cricut iron on, throw it on a t-shirt, and boom, instant Christmas gift. Simple, easy. Make a shirt, customize it to somebody you love. My son's turning 18 tomorrow. I just made him a shirt that says, warning, officially an adult. So go ahead and put on this whatever you like. Make yourself a Christmas shirt if you like. And we are getting a gel pen set. I told you guys, there's a bunch of different stuff in this box. So the gel pen set is Suburbia Disturbia. I like that name. And then you got these pretty colors here, so you'll get one of each of these colors. And we have not had this in a mystery box in a really long time. We are getting pastels. Well, they are pastels, but we're getting pastel poster board. So in this, it's 12 by 12 sheets, and we are going to get several different colors. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the different colors. Oh, look at these colors. Look at these. You're going to get two each of these colors. Is that not a pretty pastel rainbow? Something else we're getting in this box that I know all of us can use, because you can never, ever, ever have too many of these. Mats! Alright, so you guys are going to get two of the 12 by 12 standard mats, which you can always use. There is no such thing as having too many mats. And if you don't believe that, you could ask my sister, because I'm pretty sure, like 200 when I was there. She had hundreds of mats. You can never have too many. And then that's not it, because I told you guys we do have a new cutie. So we've been following in the line of the true colors. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Yeah, I did just get that excited when I seen the color. I don't even have my pink nail. I always have this color on my nails. Look it! This is the true Magenta Cutie. I was expecting more purpley. This is pink. This is Melody. This is Melody pink. Is that not so pretty? Then not too long ago in the mystery box, we had the true purple cute. Look it. And we had Peacock. I just have to say thank you, Cricut. I know this wasn't done anything to do with Melody, but I can't help but be excited and happy because these three all came out. These are Melody colors. These are my sister's colors. I love this. So this one is the new true Magenta Cutie. Any pink fans? You have to get this. I love him. As you can tell, I was super excited for that color. I was like, oh, so happy. It's like I finished my trifecta of Melody colors. So thank you, Cricut. Like I said, I know it has nothing to do with her, but I'm just appreciative because when I see those colors, I think of my sister. So that is everything, guys, in Cricut's World Cup mystery box. Now, because we did get the little cutie, that means it is for access only. But go ahead and links are below to join access. Links are also below to go ahead and purchase your mystery box. We appreciate you guys using our affiliate links. Links are also below for our big giveaway. So this month we're giving $500 away to spend at Cricut.com. And that is one winner is going to win that. And that giveaway is open till November 27th. So in the description of the video below, it will tell you how to enter. You are first going to comment on this video, enter me in Melody Lane giveaway, and then you are going to click the link that takes you to Rafflecopter. So good luck to you all. And you can always use our code to save more at Cricut if you're buying $100 or more in materials. It is INSPIRE10, and that's going to give you free shipping and 10% off of those purchases, but it will not include mystery boxes, machines, which is anything that plugs in, and access exclusive sales. So we are getting close to Thanksgiving, guys, which means Black Friday, so you guys be watching out for the sales because I can't wait to see what Cricut has out for us to enable us. Thank you again to all of our supporters, sponsors, admins. We appreciate all of you guys. We hope you all have a wonderful week. Thanks and happy crafting, everyone. Because like I say, that's how it should be. Glad you guys joined us. We will see you next time. Bye, everyone. Doodles from Alex. I think this might be my favorite color, guys. Here's a shout out to a few of our Platinum Plus subscribers on Patreon. Deidre, Donna, Sherry, Marie, Leslie, Michelle, Irene, Ellen, Julianne, Jennifer, Arlette, Kelly, Angela, Amanda, Regina, Sandy, and Lydia, Monica, Krista, Colleen, Kimberly, Carol, Janet, Teresa, Renee, Misty, Shay, G, and Margie. Thank you all.